Gentlemen, good evening. The year 1977. The city, London. The entire country prepares to celebrate the 25th anniversary, the Silver Jubilee of their beloved Queen's coronation. Our adventurous time traveler Tempest returns to London with his loyal servant Jean. But this time, they are in pursuit of the infamous and cunning jewel thief known as the Black Max. Their perilous pursuit of Max has transported them through time and space, delivering them to a London that is swirling with rumors that a major heist is about to go down. The chase is on as we take you to 1977. By the way, this isn't a show. This is real. London's royal thief catcher, Tempest, is back in town.